Guys, and welcome back to my channel. And on today's video I am going to be talking to you guys about how I'm going to be elevating my style for 2023, and it is basically adding more basics to my wardrobe. I saw someone who I love to watch, Jiranika Masia. She kind of changed my list a little bit because she ended up doing a video on basics. So her video, her things she was saying, and certain things that I already was going to talk about is going to be in this video today. If you're new here, my name is Glinda and I talk about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And let's get on with the video. So you guys, as far as me elevating my style, I've been enjoying my fashion style, playing around with color, which I wasn't playing with, playing around with texture. I'm getting into more shades and sunglasses and eyewear. I'm keeping my accessories simple, but I'm gonna transition into getting more silver pieces this year. But when I was wearing this one outfit, it was just so basic, but I felt so cute and comfy in it. Also, another outfit I had on with this a skirt from Pretty Little Thing and just a crop top. I really like that. And when I looked at those outfits, they were basic pieces, but the one with the skirt, I had on yellow accessories and that just amped it up. And then the one with the shorts and just the white button up, I had on some Nike sandals, and my hair was pent up with my shades, and that just kind of elevated the look. So I'm going to be focused on a lot of basics this year. I'm going to be shopping for basics, and these are some things that I'm going to be getting. Elevating my style, I do want to add this in there because you guys know I'm a wig girl, but when I have been wearing my U-part wigs and my clip-ins, I have been feeling so gorgeous. And my low ponytails, my low buns with my real hair, or just wearing my real hair, I just been loving it. So that's another thing that I'm going to be doing, and I feel like that has elevated my style with certain looks I wear. Like on Christmas, I feel like my look was like everything, because it was my natural hairline, it was my natural part, and I just loved it. So that's one thing that I'm going to add in, that's I'm going to be doing to elevate my style for this year, is to wear more U parts, V parts, clip-ins, and my real hair this year, and give my hair a break from the wigs. I'm still going to wear wigs, but not as much as I did last year. Plain tees and tanks. So we all love a good graphic tee, okay? We all love a good graphic tee, but I want to get, like I told you guys, when I was wearing just plain crop tops, tank tops, plain colors, it just felt, it was airy, it was breathable. They were just so nice, and a lot of them I got from Shein or I got from H&M. H&M really has good basics to me, okay, to me, and they got them in the girl sizes. So I will be going to get me some more tanks and just plain t-shirts. You can wear them with shorts, oversized t-shirts as well, crop t-shirts. I'm going to be getting me more plain colored tees and tanks, silk tops and button-ups. Silk or satin? Which is it? Silk or satin? Satin tops. Now I have been loving a satin top, spaghetti strap satin top, or a button-up satin top. I want to get more of those and more of like cream colors. I don't have a white or cream tank or button-up. I have them in colors, and I want to get them in just plain colors like white, cream, brown if I can find it, those kind of tones, because I do feel like I can switch those in and out. And and I just love the way it looks up against jeans or trousers. So I'm gonna get some more satin button-up tops and also satin spaghetti strap like shirts and blouses, I will say. And I have a haul coming up with a shirt with a blouse that's in it, so stay tuned for that. Trousers, I want to try some long trouser shorts, but I want to try I need more trousers. Like I got a pair from Fashion and Figure, and then I got a pair from Boohoo a while ago. They're black. I still have those. So I want to get some more of those, like again maybe a brown pair, a tan pair, and also linen bottoms as well. I want to get more linen, maybe 2-piece sets, and just linen bottoms, longer shorts like oversized shorts, and linen pants with like pockets. I just love that look. And then adding the color navy to my wardrobe. I want to add the color navy. I think navy is now becoming a neutral in fashion. You can wear navy with anything. A pair of navy trousers and a sweater, navy trousers and a button-up, navy trousers and a tank, navy trousers and a t-shirt and maybe some kind of jacket or coat. I just think that looks so good. Also navy dresses as well. I saw Marissa Breen, I think that's how you say her last name. She added in a navy dress, I think it was, or navy pants, or both, and it looks so good, so good. So I want to add that to my wardrobe, the color navy. And then slip skirts. You guys know I really wanted this slip skirt from Nasty. Yeah, I hope it comes back. I need to check and see if they have it. It's a cheetah print slip skirt with a slit. It's just so cute, and the young lady had it on with a graphic tee. I probably won't wear it with a graphic tee. I have a different look in mind for the slip skirt, more casual, but I do want to get some slip skirts in the cheetah print, the like a cream or like off-white, and the black, of course. I want to get some slip skirts in those colors. And then Jeranika put me onto like white tennis shoes, and I really like white tennis shoes, but I wasn't thinking of it like, oh, this is a staple, but it is. So I'm not into like name brand tennis shoes, not really. I like Dunks, I like my basic Air Force Ones, things like that. So I will be getting some of those, a pair of those. And then also I just like plain little cute sneakers from like Target or H&M. I like the mom sneakers that comes from H&M. I really like those, so I may get a pair of those. And then some kind of black pair, or black and white, black and tan, something like that. So I want to get some sneakers as well, more. And then also I need to get, speaking of shoes, if you guys don't know, I always say I don't have any shoes. This year I'm going to invest in more shoes, more like loafer like flats. I need a few pair of heels, short heels that are comfortable, wedges, things like that. I have to invest more in shoes, because sometimes I can have things in my closet and I want to wear it, but I don't have any shoes. So I have to invest more in shoes, which that is my goal to do this year. Button-ups. I love a good button-up, and also blazers. So button-up and blazers. I've been looking for blazers so much, but I've been watching Shanika E. She is literally me. Like, she's my fashion like a sister. Like, how she dresses is literally how I want to dress, especially her workwear, like her going out to dinner, even her street style, because she's really street like girly to me. So I really get a lot of inspiration from her. So she has been raving and talking about her Goodwill blazers, her Goodwill vests, and men pants. Me with these hips, I don't think I'm gonna find any pants that's gonna fit these hips, honey, but I will try. I will try. So the thrift store is where I'm gonna be shopping at a lot too, for certain pieces like my blazers, trousers, certain jackets. I want to find more trench coats as well. So yeah, so that is how I'm gonna elevate my style for 2023, you guys. I'm excited for my style to elevate. I got looks in my head that I have to get out starting the springtime, because it's literally, listen girl, it's literally freezing here where I'm at. It's absolutely cold. I do a little 1-2 when it get a little bit warm, but girl, I can't be outside too long because it's freezing. And I like now taking my pictures outside. You guys have seen me take a few pictures since it's been cold, but I can't really come out how I want. So stay tuned for more fashion videos, and thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any other questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Since we was on, I dreamed it all.